Just like Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape is a vector graphics editing program. But Inkscape is 100% free. With Inkscape, as with Illustrator, you can create logos, illustrations, and artwork. Because the graphics made in Inkscape are vector-based, you can scale them infinitely without losing quality. So, let's download Inkscape. I go to www.inkscape.org. On the Inkscape website, you can find a lot of information and resources. The latest version is 1.2, but there already is a contest for the new screen for Inkscape 1.3. I click on Download Now. Inkscape tells me I have been redirected to the best download, which in my case is a Windows installer package. MSI stands for Microsoft Software Installer, which is normally used to install and update software on Windows. The Microsoft installer keeps track of which products have been installed and to which location. This means with an update of the software, it can detect the older version, and can preserve any custom settings or configurations that I applied. I click on it to start the download. In my Downloads folder, I double-click on the MSI file. I click on Next. Here I can see where Inkscape will be installed. You can choose not to install some parts of Inkscape, but I like to have all extensions and dictionaries. When asked if I want to proceed the installation, I click on Yes. Then I click on Finish. In the next lecture, we'll look at how to customize the user interface of Inkscape.